Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, promote ko lang aking mga power bracelets for manifestation, of protection, healing, love, money at marami pang iba. So available yan sa Shopee at sa TikTok. Lahat po ng link nasa description, pakicheck nyo na lang po. So Capricorn, this is a general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate. Parang hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, Capricorn, na you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. So let's see what's coming to you, Capricorn, for this week. You have Octopus. Oh, busy. Busy kayo. Marami kayong kailangang asikasuhin. Marami kayong trabaho ngayon. Marami kayong pinagkakaabalahan. You're becoming more flexible, but, you are resilient. Kumbaga, kung ano yung demand sa'yo, ano yung ine-expect sa'yo, kaya mong i-deliver. And you are also being very creative this week. Okay? Marami kang kayang tapusin, gawin, simulan. Okay? You also have the Whale. So, Whale is about communication. Being true to yourself. So, maaring this week, marami kang i-express about how you feel, about your true self, yung pagiging totoo mo. No? It doesn't matter kung magugustuhan nyo ng iba o hindi, for as long as you are true to yourself. Okay? And this is also about bringing balance into your life. So, bringing harmony kasi may duality rito. So, it's time also for you to, get your own time for yourself. Na lalo na kung marami kang masyadong ginagawa, magiging busy, no? So, lagi mong tatandaan na you owe it to yourself to have a break. Yan. And practice self-care, self-love. Oo. You deserve it. Raven, wise woman. A change is coming. May pagbabagong magaganap sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Saang change to? Tingnan natin. Change in what area of life? Sixth house. Uy, sa kalusugan ninyo. Or kasi sixth house also about daily routine, yung trabaho ninyo. Ayan. Maaring meron kayong bagong career or trabaho na aasikasuhin this week. Let's see what else you have. Peacock o self-love. Kasasabi ko lang kanina. So, time to celebrate you and all your magnificent life. So, you're going to celebrate yourself, taking care of yourself. You've been taking care of other people. So, it's time naman na ikaw naman yung mag-alaga sa sarili mo. So, let's see, ano pa. Lalo na sa mga single dyan. Lalo na yung mga single na breadwinner, na kayong inaasahan sa bahay, sa family. You deserve it. Huwag kayong huwag kayong makaramdam ng guilt, no? Don't feel guilty in treating yourself and practicing self-care, self-love. You deserve it. Okay? So, this is your overall energy. Knight of Pentacles. You are, when it comes to your career, you are building a solid foundation ng career mo. Maaring sa ngayon, hindi mo nakikita pa yung resulta niyan. But, over time, you will see the results, the rewards of your hard work. Kasi, itong ginagawa mo na to, pang long term to. This can be a long-term business, long-term career, long-term job. Okay? So, this is your challenge, the Five of Wands. I think you need to challenge yourself more in being more competitive, no? So, competitive in a healthy way na hindi lang to competition sa ibang tao but also competition sa sarili mo na, being a better version of yourself every time. So, maari ring yung iba sa inyo, you're becoming too hard on yourself, na masyadong mataas yung sineset mong standard para sa sarili mo. And then, pag may mga pagkakataon na hindi mo na-achieve yung goal mo, you take it against yourself, no? That's why you become hard on yourself. But, as long as alam mo na nagawa mo na yung best mo, that's it. And there's always another time for you to improve, no? So, this is your opportunity. You have the Queen of Cups. This is about compassion, your love, your care for yourself, okay? And for the people around you, na yes, may mga taong umaasa sa iyong care sa kanila, but also it is your responsibility to take care of yourself as well. This is your blessing. You have the Hermit. The blessing is yung may enjoy mo yung alone time mo, no? Yung just being by yourself, with yourself, talking to yourself, and planning for your dreams, planning for your goals. Ayan, no? Hawak kamay mo na, abot kamay mo na yung iyong pangarap, no? Kailangan na lang dito is yung dedication mo, yung determination mo, and self-reflection din. What else do you need to improve on? Ano yung kailangan mong mas bigyan ng attention? I think yung iba sa inyo mas makakapagtrabaho kayo ng maayos kung meron kayong katahimikan ng isip, or meron kayong specific na time na puro work lang iniisip nyo, and then after that, nagsiswitch ka na doon sa another side of yourself, which is giving time with your family or giving time for yourself. Okay, let us see, ano pa? Capricorn. You have Mars in Gemini in the 3rd house. So, decision making. Iba sa inyo, nag-iisip kayo, nagde-decide kayo kung meron kayong kakausapin. Kasi yung iba, maaring meron kayong iniiwasan na kausapin, but at this time, siguro nisip mo, ano ba, magte-take action na ba ako? Ako na ba yung magte-take ng initiative to reach out to this person? You also have Sun in Libra in the 7th house. So, you're going to bring harmony in your relationships, connections, partnerships, friendships. Kung merong mga hindi na pag-uusapan between people na mahalaga sa buhay mo, like family, friends, romantic partner, it is also your responsibility to reach out to them. Lalo na kung meron kang gustong sabihin, like an important message that you want them to know. 'Di ba? Let's see, ano pa? Capricorn. Okay. Oy, box. You will receive a gift. Meron ka matatanggap na regalo. Maaring literal na regalo ito. Or anything na kinoconsider mong gift. Pwede tong material na bagay, pwedeng yung hinihintay mo na resulta ng exams mo, or resulta ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Things like that, no? Na mako-consider mo na gift. You also have Peacock, beware of great pride. O, 2 beses yung Peacock na lumabas for you. Ayan, maging maingat daw sa yung mataas ang pride. Mga Capricorn talaga mataas ang pride. Kasi maaring you are disconnecting your connection mo sa iba, disconnecting your connection, or parang dinedetach mo yung sarili mo, mas dinedetach mo yung sarili mo sa iba kahit na importante sila sa buhay mo. So, yeah. You also have Club. Someone will try to make you do something against your will. Ooh. Nako, maging maingat sa mga gagawin ninyo. You have to make sure na yung gagawin nyo is what you really want, no? So, kung hindi nyo gusto yung gagawin ninyo dahil lang na-influensyan kayo ng ibang tao, then, ano yung dapat yung gawin? Huwag nyong gawin. Kasi hindi nyo naman talaga gustong gawin. 'Di ba? You have your own decisions. Huwag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ka or ma-influensyahan ka ng mindset ng ibang tao. Lalo na kung hindi naman talaga yun yung way of thinking mo, yung prinsipyo mo from the start, 'di ba? The choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. Yes. So, if you are making a decision right now, connect to your higher self and also to your heart. Ano yung nararamdaman ng puso mo? Yan. And also together with your wisdom. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding right now. So, meron ka pang mga discovery about yourself, yung mga talents, yung mga skills na hindi mo pa na-expand or na-explore. Mag-unfold yan this week, okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.